In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Drive folder to Google Sites. This is a useful skill, especially when you want to incorporate dynamic content directly from your Google Drive into your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly embed a Drive folder, making it easy for visitors to view and access your shared files. Let's start by navigating to your Google Sites. Once you're on the editing page of your chosen site, look towards the right-hand side of your screen. You should see a panel with various options, including text boxes, images, and layouts. Here, you'll also spot the familiar Google Drive icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This step is crucial because it directs you to the next interface where you can browse your files being stored in Google Drive. Once you've clicked on the Google Drive icon, a new window will pop up. This interface allows you to browse through all your stored files and folders in Google Drive. Take a moment to navigate through your files. If you've organized everything neatly, finding the folder you want to add should be pretty straightforward. Remember, you're looking for a folder, not a single document or file. Once you find your desired folder, click on it to select it. Sometimes it's easy to overlook, so ensure you have the correct folder highlighted before proceeding to the next step. With your folder selected, the next move is to insert it into your Google site. You should see an insert button somewhere in the pop-up window or just below where you've selected your folder. This is your confirmation action telling Google Sites that this is the folder you want to embed. So click that insert button. After you hit insert, the folder gets added to your site immediately. You might need to adjust its placement, so feel free to drag it to the section where you want it to appear on the page. Remember that the way your folder displays can be customized. Adjusting the size or positioning can enhance its visibility for your site visitors. As a bonus tip, consider checking how it looks on desktop versus mobile view by using Google Sites' responsive design tools. Designing with these perspectives in mind ensures that your content is accessible to anyone, no matter how they access your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Google Drive folder to your Google site. This integration allows for dynamic changes since any updates made within the Drive folder will reflect on your site immediately, making it immensely powerful for collaborative projects or live updates for viewers. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more Google Sites tips and tricks to enhance your online presence.